Hi, it's Joey from DayJobHacks.com. Today I want to talk about how you can make money on ClickBank with or without a website using free traffic methods. Now, if you haven't heard of ClickBank already, it is one of the biggest digital retailers online. It allows anyone in the world to sign up and start making money. Pretty much everyone, okay? There's a couple of countries that aren't allowed, but if you're not in those countries, you are going to be able to use the methods today to make money starting now. Now, ClickBank pays you every single week, so you can start getting paid, but you need a bank account, so that is the first step. You need to go get yourself a bank account, and you need to sign up to ClickBank, okay? Those are the first two steps. Once you're in there, you can start browsing the marketplace. The marketplace is where you're going to see all of the categories and all of the products available, and there are strategies to find the best products to promote so that you can make money, and you can guarantee that you'll have a better chance than people who are just promoting anything on the platform, okay? So I'm gonna tell you a few of those tricks, but first, please subscribe to my channel and like it, click the little bell icon, share this video, provide your comments and questions down below. I encourage you to discuss if you have any questions. As well, check out my other videos on this channel. I do a lot of videos around affiliate marketing or digital marketing in general, and you can actually watch all of those for free on my YouTube channel. Okay, so now you're in there, you're in the marketplace, you're wondering, what am I gonna promote? What type of product should I get here? What am I looking at? How do I know what's actually working? Well, the first thing you're gonna wanna do is choose a category. As you can see, there are a ton of categories available. So where do you start? Well, what do you like? What do you enjoy? What do you think people will benefit from? You need to know that for yourself. This is called choosing your niche, okay? If you have a particular area of focus that you really enjoy, then click on that category. I have done a complete webinar on niche selection. If you want to check it out, description down below will show you exactly where to get access to the webinar, okay? However, you don't need to watch that right now. If you just want to get started quickly, find a product. So how do you know, now that you've found your category, how do you know which product is the best one in that category? Simply sort all of the results based on gravity, and this is going to show you precisely how many affiliates are having success on the network right now promoting that product. So a higher gravity means more affiliates are selling the product. This means it's a good indicator that it converts well, people are buying the product, and people are making money, okay? If there's a low gravity or zero gravity, it means you're going to be the first pioneer. It's probably not a good idea to be a pioneer if you're just starting with this method of just getting people to click on a link and buy something, okay? So I highly recommend choosing a high gravity product, and then the next step is to look for your affiliate link, okay? And basically all you do is you click the promote button and you create your link by entering in your account ID. And then click the little button and boom, there's your link. Now this is the link you're going to use in all of your promotions, and I'm gonna talk about that in a minute, and you're gonna get people to click on that. But one more thing while you're on the marketplace page is you should check for products that have an affiliate resources page, okay? This means that the product owner is catering to their affiliates. They're providing information on how you can promote their product. They give you different ideas like banners, they give you email swipes, they give you text links, all of this stuff, and descriptions on who their target market is. So it works out really well for you to check out those resources, sign up to their affiliate program legitimately so that you can get all the information from their affiliate managers, okay, if they have one. So let's use an example today. I'm gonna use a product called Resurge. It is a product in the diet category, and you'll see that the gravity is super high on this, and it's a great example to use, okay? So let us just say that you want to promote this product. You click on the promote button, you have your link. How do you start promoting it? Well, first you can access their resources, or you can start just promoting it yourself. So let's talk about a free method, okay? So the first free methods I want to talk about are simply just direct linking, taking your ClickBank link and posting it on different platforms online where people are. Now this isn't a very effective strategy. You are not going to get rich. In fact, it might not even work at all on some platforms because the ClickBank link is already banned, okay? It means too many people have used this method, and the platforms themselves just automatically delete any links that are ClickBank related, okay? For example, Facebook groups, if you go in and just blast your link into Facebook groups, it could immediately just be flagged and removed from the community. Same for YouTube comments or any other platforms that are major, okay? So don't just go in and start joining groups and posting your links and thinking you're gonna get rich. It's not going to work for you. What you need to do is become part of those groups or create your own groups, okay? So if you're into diet and you want to talk about, you know, a successful diet plans and all of that kind of stuff, create a group, invite friends and family or whoever else you can invite into your group, start talking about it, engage with people, and then start dropping your link every now and then. That is a strategy. Another strategy would be to go in and join groups and become part of the community before you start dropping links. But if you start dropping links into Facebook groups, it's cheesy, everybody knows what you're doing, it's just not gonna work for you, okay? So don't just use this as your main strategy. It's just a way to see how the tracking works and see if anybody actually clicks on your link. That is, if you go too far, it's called spamming, and you don't wanna be doing that, okay? Next strategy, check out the question and answer sites like Quora. Go in there, find people looking for information on diets, provide a paragraph or information about this, and then drop the link in there. You can use a link shortener like maybe tinyurl or bit.ly or something like that, and you can actually create a link shortener so that you don't have your full ClickBank link in there, so people will just think it's a regular link and they'll click on it and they'll go and watch the video or whatever else is available on the offer page, and perhaps you will make a commission if that person buys the actual product. Now let's talk about some more effective strategies and start looking at real legit ways to make money online. Let's talk about building a website. A website is very easy to do. If you have no experience, don't panic. We have a video at powerhouseaffiliate.com/action-plan. It shows you precisely how to build a website in 60 minutes. Now the trick with ClickBank products is to build a website that shows success. A success story on how this product helped somebody. So build a page about, you know, identifying the problem first for the user. So you need to get into the mind of the person reading this page, create a success story about how somebody used this product. All of this information is probably already on the offer page itself. If you were to click your own affiliate link and go to the offer you're promoting, all of the success stories will be there. Put them on your own website, create a brief one-pager about how this product helps people with the problems. So identify the problems first, drive those problems right into their heads, and make sure you connect with them so that they are like, whoa, this is exactly the problem I have, and then switch the story to how you have the solution, and then start dropping your link. This is the solution, and then give a strong call to action. Click here, watch this video. You are going to get the answers you need. They click, they watch, they buy. You make money, okay? That is the best way to do it. Create a very simple website. It's not hard to do. Now what you have is your own website link. Now it is so much easier to go to the bigger platforms and start dropping your link because it's not flagged like the ClickBank URLs are, or affiliate links are, okay? You don't want to be dropping affiliate links. You want to drop links to your own website. You want to bring traffic to your own website. So how do you get free traffic to your website now that you have it? Well, again, you can go to Facebook groups and start posting in groups. You can create your own group. You can create a Facebook page for your website, connect them both through a simple plugin. If you watch our video, again, like I said, we talk about that kind of stuff. You connect your pages, all of your social media channels can be connected. You can connect a Pinterest account to it. You can do Twitter, Instagram, all of those other ones. Next, you can also create a YouTube channel. This is what I've done for this particular website that I'm doing. It is a case study on how YouTube has helped generate steady monthly income for myself and my business. I'll pop up a video about how YouTube has actually generated in the last few months a decent, return for the amount of work that I've actually done over the last year. So you can check out that video above. So building a YouTube channel is a great way to do it if you actually enjoy your niche and you want to do videos and you're not camera shy. It's a super rewarding experience. I love doing videos for YouTube. It's fun, and I get to, you know, talk and engage with an audience, okay? So that's fun. If you like to do that, you can make money simply by creating a YouTube channel, dropping your ClickBank link into your description below, and away you go. You're going to have some traffic. People are going to click on that link if you start describing how that link is going to lead them to the solution they need to solve their problems. So the last strategy that I want to talk about, which is often called free traffic, but it's not really. It is called search engine optimization. The reason why it's not free is because it takes a lot of work. However, it can be very rewarding in the end for your website, okay? Your website will start to build value if you create awesome content for it. So basically just go in, create some articles. I've done videos, a case study on search engine optimization. You can see that above. I'm not going to talk about search engine optimization in this video. I don't want to ramble on. It's too big of a subject. But basically, you are getting traffic from search engines. The more content you create, the more likely your articles are going to show up when people go to Google and search, how do I lose weight? Or how do I, you know, lose tummy fat? How do I get thinner thighs? All that kind of stuff. If your articles focus on those keywords, you have a chance of getting some free traffic to your website, showing again the problem, the solution, the call to action, and get to that video. Watch it because you are going to find what you need. Please buy the product so I earn a commission, okay? You don't want to actually say that on your landing page, but hey, you know what I mean, okay? So that's the basic setup for creating free traffic to a ClickBank link, and those are the main ways to do it. There are no sneaky little tricks. You don't want to get into some fake traffic and all that stuff. It's just not going to work for you. Now, if you want to scale your campaigns to life-changing income every single day, you need to start considering paid traffic. Check out some of the videos on my YouTube channel where I talk about paid traffic. I also have a free course at powerhouseaffiliate.com. Join there. It'll talk a lot more about how you can set up your own website and create a niche specific website that is catered around a product, and this strategy will work extremely well for you if you want to start making money with ClickBank, okay? If you liked this video, please like, share, comment. I'll see you in the next videos. Thanks for watching.